In the daytime, this is the streets of Kuje, but today we're going to be exploring what happens on this street in the evening, the foods, the people, and every other interesting thing. Come on guys, let us go on this adventure together. You're gonna love it, you're gonna love it. This is street food in Kuje.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be different because we're going to be doing street food haul. I'm going to take people around the streets of Kuje, that's Pasalita, my city, my town, and show you things you can get by this time to eat. It's going to be fun. Stay tuned. Do not go anywhere. Hey! You have money?
It's 5 bar. I should charge on your account.
Yes.
Save
How much is your charges?
100.
So guys, I withdrawed 5,000 naira. So we'll see what 5,000 naira can buy on the streets of Kuje, Abuja. Let's go.
Seriously, I was grateful. How do you?
You know what blow for internet? You dey see your fear. I think don't you watch street food something fashion. They share everybody. So guys,
My colleague is one less one for me.
come on, there is here. No. Tell your Abuja. Not only be okay now.
How much? 500 naira.
There is. This man don't cook fat all around.
When did you buy? Don't look
Cook
like.
fat, my sister like fat.
How can they derive your check? You are done the
No, because of my customer.
Now you don't put this here well. That's it. That's all 500 naira. Eh? They small. Eh.
You know what? This is
You don't say this.
It's not how.
Very nothing back from
Islam
me.
now.
That's why.
Islam they sell.
My ad for you.
No, don't do.
Don't do that.
Only your shop I come.
Don't be only our shop in the street.
Could they see my own?
This is suya and it's made from cow meat or ram meat. It is cut into thin slices and grilled and seasoned properly and sold with onion and pepper depending on your taste. This is surely a street food that you can see on any street in Nigeria. It is very popular. Everybody knows suya.
That's why.
This one, today, I come. I thought I made man put down.
Auntie, they review.
And she with cocoa. I've been at work.
I have their lunch. Please, Auntie, what now? You don't get that now. That's it.
My addiction, my obsession.
Hey, God, I'm going to make us. So, now my own they put back 200.
This is awara, can also be known as tofu in other countries. It is made from soya beans and just fried in oil like this, served with pepper and very yummy. You'd like to try it. One of these days I'm going to make this and post the recipe on my channel.
So guys,
Maybe so. It's called tofu in other parts of the world.
Papa, you be there with me. You do it this night, ba? Eh? Okay. You have to pay for eating this thing. I never. Oh.
No, that say something like that.
What am I doing? 1, that's 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Are they sure? Yes. Okay. Man, it's direct. Papa, this is a very, very good content. I don't know if people are enjoying it, but me, I'm enjoying myself.
Very sweet. You need to taste it.
But I think we have time for you.
Yes.
What's your pass for it?
No, serious. I said, 4 times 3, 12. She gave us 12 for it.
Be like say my sister don't cheat us.
No.
See, let's say she chop 5 because of 4 we chop and she looks guilty.
That's 12 now.
Cheers.
It's supposed to be 10 normal.
Oh, yeah, cook me, go.
I'm enjoying myself. On top of my money.
She's enjoying herself. It's my money. Thief. Yes, be careful.
This man, I don't know what we do when we chop.
Oh, good akara. Oh, good akara.
Now I'm ready. One number. One number. 300. This are 2,000.
Yeah. Then I'll beat you. Go share me to 3.
Victory bread.
For the akara.
Could you break?
Hey, could you bakery
See,
product?
guys, we have been spending and spending. This is what is left, though. Okay?
Can you pay the man?
Let's go there.
Give me the bread. Oh boy. My lips, it done they hurt me.
This Okada. Let's see, we'll run now.
Establishment, the empire.
I know.
I already bought orange from this man.
Are you video this?
This one is 100. It's one I want. Don't fear.
Oh, Labour Party, I see.
Yes, sir. Both right.
To the world.
They said it's back today.
They share the bag, I think the sticker.
They was. Nobody don't they get sense. I'm married, I go eat something.
Free for thanks. Thanks.
Bye.
So, guys, I'm going to eat this thing. It's strong because this is not consistent, Abi.
Yeah.
So let's move to the next place. Strong.
How is it tasting?
Strong.
Wow.
But nice.
It's well. Off to Akara joint.
Let's stand. They say stand.
Guys, give me 2 big leaders. See this is where am I? How can I buy?
Yes.
Very big leader. Potato.
No, akara. Say you would like to introduce yourself.
Sir.
Eh?
Huh?
You like to introduce yourself.
Shy, I'm blushing.
Yeah, blushing. Mama don't want to show. I'm not showing you. Okay, you're not showing.
You're not inside.
You're not showing.
Not if it's fine.
No.
It's like the ugliest
See,
thing.
like for how long have you been doing this business?
For long.
10 years. More than 10 years.
More than 10 years. For long.
Is it showing?
They haven't given birth to our first born, which is 22 years.
Sorry?
Let me correct.
They haven't given birth to your first born.
Where your
Which
mother
is
started
22
this
years.
thing?
Yes.
Okay, no wonder. When I'm popular, I leave my house from far. We get plenty akara come here
Wow.
because my here I won't buy it.
So this is akara, also known as bean cake, and it's made from beans and fried in hot oil and served with stew, pepper and pap. You can also eat it with bread, as you'll be seeing in this video.
So give us potato and akara.
Anytime I'm bite, I better set it down and let him go so we can video your face.
So that we can have peace. Without face. See, come and give me my own. Give me 200 naira akara.
We don't have bread, so thank God we got our bread.
I'll put my dog.
My pastor, they call you now.
No, you're there. I got 200 back. Huh?
Baba, I'm seeing. Babu lay down. Body go away. Everybody carry. Take. Oh yeah. Baba Zakachi, abungan. Masara musi amaba musu.
This is us giving this pure seller man the corn we got earlier because we didn't want it. It was kind of hard, you know.
You scared me with knife.
So guys, we're going to eat it here. This is their eat place.
But so this knife do work. They don't give me my knife.
Ooh, you can see that lovely thing. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Goodness. There's a technique to this. Don't allow the down to open completely. And then make a deep pocket so the akara can fit in properly.
Wow, wow, wow.
Watch and learn.
Watch and learn.
Learn from the best.
Watch and learn.
Watch and learn.
Where is for? Just to speak. I'll just use my hands.
Thank you.
You are seeing how I'm balancing it inside, right? Ooh, ow, ooh.
But I do now, they need their knife and we need to cut it.
Oh, it's true. They don't need it though. They don't need it to be yam. Wait, I'll stay put. I'm coming. I'm trying to arrange it. I don't want to change the master akara sandwich maker how to do things.
Bread is not
I'm
you.
the
Bread is not off your
sensei.
life.
I'm the shinfu here. I've been at the conference.
Bread is not off your life.
Ho. Watch and see. Oh, this is not the end. I'm going to put it back in the leather.
So this is called pap and it's made from corn. This particular one was made from corn. You can make it from millet and other grains too.
Dinner, like you can just eat this out. Go to bed, you know, you'll be full.
Yeah.
Are you videoing?
Yes.
You see the technique. Just slip it in gradually. That's the last.
Wow. Have you learned one or two things? Damn it.
Are you ready for the outcome?
I believe that she's sitting down.
Are you ready for the outcome?
Yes.
Perfect.
Wow.
This
like
thing,
shawarma.
this is what they don't teach you in school.
Shawarma.
Now you just measure it to get. Don't worry, we don't have time for that. You see as I slice it, just slice through.
Yeah, just like a roll up.
So guys, everybody, take your bite.
Wait, just for more aesthetic.
Why you don't wear now? Why you don't wear
This is the bomb.
Come carry your own. Yes. Come carry your own.
Oh my god, you can actually lift though.
Just like bread and egg. The hell, let her take a bite.
Tell them the goodness of my work. Say something. Amazing.
Okay. Where's the second teaspoon?
See, I'll make a short from this your video. I say I'll post on my own channel.
Even me, I want to do one. I want to just post something about it. Apart from the whole video.
And the link.
Share us the link so I know.
Do you man sabi akara ba?
Akara na business.
Say hi.
What's up, babe?
Enjoy.
Sounds like Uncle Tochukwu.
And tell them to
This is
subscribe.
Ghetto Guys.
Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel and enjoy
Thank you.
yourself.
Oh, shit.
I never go live.
Okay. You should say we'll go buy that chicken again.
The feeling is different. Makes sense.
Let's come on now. You not video me.
Oh, now you're okay.
Video me. Video me. You go edit out all those video me.
Guys. I don't believe you. And we still have a lot of places to go. I think we'll just go to one last place and we're done for the night. And we cannot come and die because of food. Thank you.
Miss, are you enjoying yourself?
So much. Yeah, can make sense that.
So, bros, how long have you been coming here?
In this place, now it's 1 year.
So, like, wetin make you they come back? Now, because the akara na im sweet pass. Or wetin happen? Because we know say plenty other akara joints dey for here. So, wetin make you still dey come back?
They're my customers, so I don't like changing customers every day.
The akara they sweet you special. Abi? Bros, what about you? Why you always coming here? Shey, this is not your first time. You like coming here? You just like it.
Bring come for me.
Alright, bye-bye. I'm going. Auntie, good evening, oh. Regular.
Omo, she go block tonight. When body no be stone, which kind nonsense they do for our belly?
I go drink that thing when they catch person. You get me?
Okay.
Forget it. Yeah,
I don't know why I did, but I need it.
You want to buy chicken for now?
You want snap me?
Don't worry, your face will show. Make I show you.
No. Wai wai. Abe, zo ki dauke mu ni da ita. Tana dauka kaza shi ka. Ah, kaza za ki dauka? Za ki dauka ba.
Oh God, I cannot come into that car. I will block my chest. Think of.
I'm videoing and snapping.
Za dauke mu hoto ni da ke.
Na dauka.
Ta ba fani da bane.
Oshe, professional.
So this chicken, after being like roasted or grilled, goes through another process. It has, mind you, it was already seasoned, so you just put in your onion, you put in dry pepper, and then you're going to add in, you stir it, then you add in a little broth that he's going to be putting later, and then towards the end of everything, you can put in your cabbage. And then depending on the customer's order, you can actually add masa. I'll tell you what masa is made of soon.
You don't try to want. Yeah? Chris, I'm not finished. You don't finish. No, like
Ina. Inside market there are no chicken.
they are not chicken because I got the speaking English. So guys, this is a very busy joint, and it goes down like this every night. You see, it goes down like this every night. Very busy.
And see, I. That's why I was on the wish to mania. I'm a poor boy. Jamming already have some. Is that much? Give me 3.
So this is masa. It's usually made of rice or corn, but this particular one is made of local rice. You blend the rice, soak it, blend it, and it goes through some processes. You fry it, then it becomes masa, man. One of these days I'm going to make this video and show you guys the recipe, but oh my god, it's very yummy.
Wai mene na a jikinka ne?
Thank you.
Tunubu ne wannan? Tunubu party, Lego party. Ba Peter Obi ne?
It's not done.
Tunubu. Ba ku tafi da shi ne?
No, we're going to use it with him.
Okay, Ilya.
Thanks.
Ba ku je 2000 ba. Mohammed. Alarani Madibo.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my. Take money. Your brother said I want it. Bring change.
No,
be a
we paid for
masa.
masa already.
Oh Father. Oh Madre mia.
Jesus name, Father Lord bless this food.
In Jesus'
No, we need
name.
water. These people, no be anybody make sure they pick for this thing. Now go they pick masa to say na chicken and pick. Very hard. Bring your chair now. We went to carry chair for us.
I just heard of chicken.
You know free carry chair.
No chair again.
Now my place now, not your place.
No, you know my place. You man, I enjoy your work.
Oh, come on, go. I beg. Should be they get water when they use wash hand. You need water, bro. I beg. I don't feel sure. See, all of us are not more in a haste to do this thing because Bella don't engage, man. Imagine they say pure water. Wait, go saw this boy.
So how's the chicken?
Makes sense.
It's giving, but you're
It's
tired.
juicy. I'm not tired. I'm just getting started.
fine. What's wrong with you? I don't even know. But
That, is that to be criminal? But what?
but I'm enjoying myself.
See guys, we've had a lot to eat. Look at this lady. It's the bread. We did not finish it. See, I'm taking it home. This one too, I don't think.
No.
Okay. But just see. Just finish it now. Then we'll now buy fruits and then we're done for the day. See you later when we're done eating. Guys, I don't know how to finish this tomorrow. So guys, this is masa. You fetch it with some sauce.
That's masa.
Yes. Then you.
So masa looks like chicken.
Ah, let me eat alone. Thank you for some sauce.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. Take. This is pure water.
First up.
Guys, we're done. Guys, my sister cannot move. See Bele. But this one is, she's not okay. Oh. She needs more meat. See.
I'll see it my bread and car if I reach out.
So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Initially, you guys know that I withdrew 5,000 naira. And after that 5,000 naira, this is our change. So please share, like, subscribe, support your girl, eh? After they support me so, go to motivate me and they give me more content, okay? So that's what you have to do for subscribers.
Indeed. Please like, share, subscribe. Yes. Also comment what you feel about the video.
Please like and share and subscribe.
You're a clown. Very good clown, man. Comment. I'm on live support. Let me go. Hold on.